Hello, this is my enhancement 6 for week 8. To start, let's go to the my account, then log in some made accounts here. For example, I created this account, and if I enter it, should be direct to the admin, the PHP. Oh, sorry. That one. So here's my admin, the PHP. Let's go check the CSS. For the CSS, no error found. While waiting, let's access the Wave Revision tool. And for the HTML. And for the responsiveness, you go for the phone, tablet, then for the desktop view. So now to test the admin account, if it's if the client level is 3, vehicle management will show up on the admin view. So admin, the inventory management, make it the vehicle management. It went through. And for the extra credit, if the user is logged out, and when we put or search the vehicle, the controller vehicle, they will not able to access the vehicle management. So log out, and if we type here vehicles, it will direct you to the home.php or the index. So I think that will be all.